The following images are for informational purposes only. Always use the mandatory safety devices. Benefits provided by the Extencion arm lifter accessory. The elevator lift 2000 can be assembled even by a single operator from the ground in only one at height, ensuring total safety during the installation process, and reducing the associated costs by completing it in a shorter time frame. Place the Extencion arm lifter on a regular surface, against the wall, at an appropriate angle. Insert the lift heads onto the first extension. Screw in the eye bolts to secure the lift head and extension. Place the first extension on the Extencion arm lifter. Connect power through a 220-volt grounded outlet. Extend the side retaining arms. Adjust the stabilizer if necessary. Thread the hook between the Extencion arm lifter and the element, hooking it onto the last step of the extension. Screw in the limit switch jack or connector and the control panel jack, passing them through the eye bolt. Electrically lift the element and close the retaining arms. Position the second extension underneath the first one and lower the element until they interlock. Screw in the eye bolts between the element and the second extension. Thread the limit switch cable through the eye bolt. Place the hook on the last step of the second extension and lift everything electrically. Repeat the steps until you reach the desired height, and insert the base element of the Extencion arm lifter. Remove the hook, expand the lateral retaining arms of the Extencion arm lifter, and remove it. Mount the containment unit motor on the elevator base. Power up the motor. Guide the motor's steel cable to the elevator head, passing it through the pulley located on the same head. Attach the cable to the tension plate. Mount the desired accessory on the cart and secure the safety hooks. The elevator is now ready for use.